Welcome to Chimahaba Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Good day, viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I want to share with us a very powerful recipe that you can use to destroy the activities of the enemies working against your life, the activities of the enemies working against your future, working against your business, working against your marriage. How you can cause catastrophe, how you can cause destruction in the life of your enemy, how you can blind their evil eyes, that monitoring eyes they are using to monitor you, how you can destroy their monitoring eyes and their activities against your life, against your future. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Welcome to Chimamata Spiritual TV. On this channel, it's all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my Father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural plants, natural resources, natural roots, natural herbs, natural materials that God has created, harnessing their spiritual powers, spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face or joining us on this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube. Give my videos a thumbs up, which signifies the like. And as you do this, may God continue to bless you. That which is your problem that has made you to come in contact of this face and to make you to come in contact of this channel, my God is going to solve it for you without wasting each and every one of your time. Are you on here watching me now? The enemies has been making your life miserable. They has been causing catastrophe. They have been destroying your future. They have been destroying your marriage. They has been destroying your destiny. They have been doing so many activities. They have been afflicting you with diseases. They have been afflicting you with sicknesses. They have been afflicting you with barrenness. They have been afflicting you with rising and falling. When a man has so many enemies, nothing you do that will move for you, because they will be battling you. They will be throwing evil arrows of failure, evil arrows of stagnation, evil arrows of barrenness, evil arrows of rising and falling, evil arrows of leaking pocket, evil arrows of sicknesses. Are the enemies, as they make your life unbearable for you, as they made your life miserable for you, are they trying to destroy you? I have come with a recipe that will help you to destroy every activities of the evil ones in your life, to silence the evil ones in your life, to blind their eyes that they are using to monitor you, in that their coven, in that their altar, in that their secret altar, in that their enchantment place, in that their meeting, in that their gathering where they used to gather and call your name in the coven and monitor your future, and monitor your marriage, and monitor your children, and monitor your mother's children, and monitor your business. This recipe will help you to destroy every monitoring eye. This recipe will silence every evil man, every evil woman, making every evil utterances against your life. This recipe, this particular recipe, will destroy them. All you need to do for me is to go and get me a coconut. We know what coconut is all about. Some people still imagine how come that coconut has water inside. It's still a mystery up till today. Nobody has found out how God created this particular fruit. This is a special fruit that has a lot of spiritual powers, that has a lot of spiritual energy, that has a lot of spiritual vibration, and we are going to use the spiritual energies and vibration that God in heaven has given to coconut. We are going to harness it, that the universe has given to coconut, and we are going to call our Father's deities and ancestors, that God that you used to worship, that God that you know the name, you are going to call that God from this recipe, for it to from this recipe to silence your enemy, for it to from this recipe to destroy your enemies, for it to from this recipe recipe to spoil your spoilers, to backbite those that are backbiting you, those spoiling you in the presence of your destiny helper, those making people to hate you, making you not to receive favor from the universe, making you not to receive favor from people, causing catastrophe in your life. Go and get me one native coconut. Another item you will get me is your clove. You are going to get me 21 pieces of clove. If you want to silence your enemy, if you want to destroy the works of your enemy, that they are evil utterances, get me 21 pieces of cloves and one coconut. You are going to silence every enemy that is in a bad activities in your life. But before I tell you how you are going to do this recipe, I would like to introduce my product here because it is called Walk and Chop. We have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. It has been healing people from their diseases and their affliction. It has been opening road for people who has a lot of blockages. Now we have the curse breaking soap. If you are under a curse of any man or any woman, or cause that you have inflicted yourself, when you are bathing with this soap, every curse that is following you from your paternal side or maternal side will leave your life. That curse will be broken. We have the road opening soap. This road opening soap, when you are using it to bathe, if there is blockages in your life, if there is no favor, people are not favoring you, your business are not moving, your things will start moving, you will start breathing a life breathing. No matter wherever you are, we ship all part of the whole world. We also have the anti-witchcraft soap. If you are under witchcraft activities, has they been tearing your body? Has they been eating you up? Has the witchcraft make your body a living place for their own self? This anti-witchcraft soap will help you when you are using it to take your bait. No witchcraft activities anymore in your life. We have the Love Me and Marry Me soap. If you are into any relationship and that man has been refusing to marry you, that woman has been refusing to marry you, when you are using this Love Me and Marry Me soap to take your bait, that man will fall much in love with you. That man will come back and marry you. We have Call Money soap. Yes, we have the Love Magnificent soap, Love Magnet soap. We also have the Back to Sender soap. If they have been throwing evil arrow, evil enchantment, evil incantation in you, in your business, in your family, we have the Back to Sender soap. When you are using this soap to take your bait, every evil arrow will return to Back to Sender. We have the Spiritual Cleansing Bad Detox. In case your things has not been moving well, there's a lot of blockages. When you do spiritual work, it doesn't work for you. This Spiritual Cleansing Bad Detox will help you to open your way. It's going to remove every evil aura, and you will begin to receive fresh air, fresh connection, fresh contact. We have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. Have you eaten something in the dream? Do you have sex in the dream? And since then, it has become one affliction of the devil to the other. You experience something crawling all over your head. You experience something moving inside your body, crawling like a snake on your tummy, crawling in your ankles, crawling from your head to your toes. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison remover, the moving object destroyer. This product is tested and trusted. A lot of people has buy it, and it has been from one testimony to the other. I can beat up my chest 100 times and tell you that this product that I'm advertising, I know that it works. As long as your problem is moving object, you don't hesitate to call me on the phone. +234 708813 6610. +234 708813 6610. This is my number. I ship all part of the whole world. I ship to US, to Canada, to Australia, to Asia, to America, to South America with DHL, EMS, FedEx. Within the twinkle of an eye, within the interval of 4 to 5 days, you will get your order. All you need to do is to grab your copy as I am announcing my product. Also, we also have the Love Magnificent soap. We also have the Mercy and Favor soap. Then we have the Favor soap. We have the Love and Attraction soap, the 99 Demon Manipulation Stop Evil oil. We also have the Stop Evil oil and Protection bracelets, Anointed bracelets, Attraction bracelets, coconut oil, pancake oil, original honey oil. We have all this in our spiritual stuff. If you need any of them, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. And if you need me to help you to do any spiritual work, don't hesitate to call me on the phone, as I'm open to communication. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. God bless you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, let me let the cat out of the bag. On today's recipe, on how you can destroy all the activities of the enemies against your life, against your family, what you will be needing is 21 cloves. 21 seeds of clove, and 1 coconut. Yes. How this recipe works is this. Whether you know who is your enemy or you don't know who is your enemy, to whom it may concern, this recipe is going to affect them. As long as you use 21 pieces of clove on this particular recipe, all you have to do, coconut has 3 eyes. You are going to look for a sharp object and open one of the eyes of the coconut. That is where you are going to start to blind the evil eyes of the enemies. Nobody knows how coconut carries water to up. It has remained a mystery. Nobody knows how you come to this earth apart from God. It has remained a mystery to people. So nobody will know how your destiny will work. And nobody will stand against your destiny. So when you get 21 seed of clove, you open the coconut with a sharp object with 1 eye. You begin to pray. You pray against every evil negative energy, against the spiritual materials that you are going to use to destroy your enemy. And you call God in heaven, you call the universe, you call your father's deities and ancestors. You call the goddess that goddess the seas. And you tell them that coconut, nobody knows how coconut carries water to up. It's still a mystery. That today, I, Brother Chima, I, Sister Mary, I, Brother John, I, Brother Paul, I have come to destroy my enemies, to destroy the oppression of my enemies, to whom it may concern that is my enemy. Are they coming from my paternal side? Are they coming from my maternal side? Are they my neighbors? Are they my friends that are my enemies, pretending to be my friend, pretending to be my brothers and sisters, and they want my downfall, they want my failure, they want me to cry, they want blockages, they want disappointment, they want failure to be the talk of my destiny. Today, as I am holding this coconut, nobody knows how coconut carries water into up. It's still a mystery, so nobody will know how my God is going to bless me. To whom it may concern that is my enemy, every evil utterances, every evil enchantment, every evil incantation, everything that you have done, every sacrifice that you have done against me, Brother Chima, against me, Brother Paul, that is having effective in my life, bringing failure, bringing sicknesses, bringing rising and falling, bringing blockages, bringing disappointment, bringing hatred, making me to suffer like an elephant and eat like an ant. Every evil utterances, every evil enchantment by any man, by any woman to whom it may concern, from my paternal side, from my maternal side, that is having effective in my life. Today, by this recipe, I destroy you. That eyes that you are using to see me, that monitoring eyes that you are using to see me, I blind your eyes as I put these stuffs into this coconut. You begin to put the cloves one after the other into the coconut. When you are done putting the 21 cloves inside the coconut, you look for sellotape, something that you will use to cover the eyes of the coconut where you have opened. Look for something and bind it. If you know the names of those your enemies, start to name them one after the other. That today, that you have, as you have covered the eyes of this coconut, that you have silenced every of their power, every of their evil activities against your life, that is making you not to progress, that is holding your childbearing, that is holding your income, that is holding your connection, every of their evil utterances. You, Mr. Paul, you, Mr. Peter, you, Mr. John, you, Mr. Mary, you, Auntie Mary, you, Auntie Linda, you, Auntie Susan, that is holding my destiny, that is making evil utterances, that is going from one native doctor to the other, that is going from one occultic kingdom to the other, that is going from one altar to the other to monitor me. Today, as I blind this coconut, I blind your eyes, I blind your evil eyes, I silence you, I destroy you. Let destruction come upon you at unawares, and so shall it be. When you are done making your prayers, shake it 21 times. After shaking it 21 times, wave it on your head 21 times. Look for a place and keep it. This is going to stay 21 days in your room. And at the 21 days, go and pick it up. Go to the main road and speak. Wherever you are, that you are my enemy, that want to destroy my future, that want to destroy my life. As I break this coconut, I destroy every of your activities in my life. I destroy your evil utterances in my life. I destroy everything that you have done against me. Let that evil that you have wished me, let it return back to sender. As you are speak on that 21 days, break the coconut and go back to your house. That work is done. Every evil they are planning to destroy, this work is going to destroy them, starting from A to Z. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. Go and try this out and come back with your testimony. It is testimony galore. God bless you. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. And if you need to buy my spiritual material, chat me on WhatsApp. See you in my next video. God bless you. Bye for now.